All right, let's get started. This is the usability test with participant 2, Brandon Baker. Just to get ready to get started, hello. As you know, I'm Tyrone Baker. I will be facilitating the usability test as well as walking you through the session that you've signed up for today. Before we get started, let me thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule for participating and your forthcoming feedback. Also, I would like to take care of a few administrative items just to prevent any avoidable disruptions. If you have to use the restroom, it is out the door, down the hall to the left, and on the right side of that hallway. I also have provided a bottle of water if you should get thirsty. It is right there on the desk. Also, if you would be so kind, if you were to have a cell phone, could you please put it on mute or turn it off for the duration of the test. Anything else for the test has been provided, which you will need. Based on that, you have the PC and everything else that we have provided here. Now let's get into the main reason why you're here. I'm sure that you have a good idea as to why you're here, but let me just reiterate the objective briefly. I am trying to analyze the website www.va.gov to see if it works as it was designed to work, and also to see if there are any improvements that can be made to the site based on your input. I also want to inform you of a few parameters. I have also blocked off an hour for our session today. I also want to be very clear to you that you are not being tested. I am testing the website capabilities. You cannot get a single question wrong, so please don't feel worried about making any mistakes or being confused about something. The method that I will be using today is the Think Out Loud method, which literally means that as we go through this, I will be asking you questions to think out loud, literally, to share your thoughts about what you are doing, what you are looking for, and things like that through the process. So your honest feedback will be a tremendous help to me in helping improve the website. Also, please don't worry about hurting anybody's feelings with your honesty. I need your true opinions to help make this usability test a success. Please don't hesitate to ask any questions that you may have. I will try to answer them to the best of my ability, but keep in mind, I may not be able to answer every question immediately, because if it pertains to a current task, we will have to circle back, since you need to be able to work through the questions without intervention to complete the task. That may sound tricky, but it's important for me to see you to be able to navigate your way through, or not be able to navigate through, and find out what may be the cause of that. This is the computer you'll be working on. There are a few things also I want to point out. I will be recording this session through screen capture software. The recording will only be used to help improve the website. It will only be recording what is happening on the screen. Your picture, your likeness will not be recorded, and only from that aspect. I also have a microphone to record our conversation during the session, so that nothing will be missed when I document results and findings to build my analysis. Again, your session will only be seen by personnel working on this project. The recording will help tremendously, since I am by myself and won't be able to take as many notes during the session. So the recordings will help me in that aspect. After I complete my actions, the web design team will get to see our session. As a reminder, they will only be able to hear our conversations and see only the screen and not us. If you would be so kind, I previously sent you the consent form for you to sign. Do you have that available?
Yeah.
And did you sign it?
Yes.
The consent form just states that I have permission to record you, and that the recording will only be used to help improve the website, and it will only be seen by personnel working the project. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, task 1. This is the home page of the Veterans Administration. Please review the website without clicking any links that you are able, and if you are able to scroll up. So review the website, but don't click on anything, and you can scroll up because the page is somewhat, you can go up and down. So from first view, first looking, how does the website strike you? How is the color scheme? What does the layout look like? Things like that nature.
The color scheme is more blue, so it has more of like a relaxing feeling, and the color scheme is very. The design scheme is pretty nice. It has like what looks like the major footnotes, depending on what you needed assistance with in that setup and things like that, and then how to get in contact with them directly if you need help. So it's a very nice, clean setup.
Okay. So do you think that the tabs and the clickables are kind of jump out at you as far as being able to notice that they are either links or you can find additional information from those?
Yeah, it is very, they do very stick out just because whenever anything that's clickable, it's generally a contrasting color to the background that it's on, like the white and blue and the blue and white and things like that.
Okay, so you've already talked about how you aesthetically feel about the website. Do you have an idea of what you believe this website capabilities are?
Yeah, if a veteran needs help, potentially coming back and collecting benefits they didn't previously know about, there's a tab that just says benefits, so it's very comprehensive and lets you know what you need to get to.
All right, thank you. Appreciate that. We're going to move on to task 2. Can you locate on the website where the VA facilities near you? That means like a hospital, a clinic, any type of transaction that if you go to a VA facility that you can transact.
Yes. Do I want to go there now?
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead and navigate to those sites to see if you can see where a facility is close to you.
I'm going to go here just because I live in San Antonio, so
Okay.
this would be the closest one to me. You want me to click on it? Or just...
You can click on it if you like. Let's go ahead and see how that goes. Okay, so you were able to successfully find a VA clinic or facility here in San Antonio.
Yes, sir.
And what do you think about this particular page? Do you think it provides information for you?
Yeah, it has it has the addresses and the numbers right here. So if I need to get in contact with somebody, I guess, in a higher position or something like that, and then it has all the little tabs on the side to let me know if I need to see anything, as well as the flashing toolbar, which just has like recent things or past events that come up on the display.
All right, thank you. We're going to move on to task number 3. If you wanted to find out what type of benefits the VA offer to further your education as a veteran, so you're going to be acting as a veteran, trying to find out educational benefits for you, where would you look? Now you can navigate back to the home page, or you can navigate from this location.
Okay, yeah, I'll just go here. So I would go to benefits, and then if I needed some, I would just go to the. Oh no, that's dependent. Go to the GI Bill, and then there it has all the education and training and things.
Okay, great. That's successful. Error free. Okay, we're going to go to task number 4. If a veteran wants to know about their health benefits, where would they navigate to find out that information?
I'll go back to the benefits page, and then you said health benefits. I was just talking like physical or like
health benefits represents like your mental or your physical health.
We can go to general benefits information, and then let's see. And then it just has the healthcare benefits come up.
Okay. And you can click on that to find out more information.
Yes.
Okay. Great. Where would you, this is task number 5. Where would you navigate to learn more about disability benefits?
Go back. Just go to the benefits, and then we have the disability compensations tab, and then they have all the tabs that you would need on the side for like different types and claims like that, so you could like get started if you didn't know.
Okay, great. I think that is successful. And okay, at this point, we're going to stop here, only because we've almost are at the 15-minute mark for this software. We're going to record this and start a new session. All right.
Okay.
Thank you.